Hey everyone, welcome back to Stocks Telegraph. If you're new here, we dive deep into the latest news and trends in the stock market with a special focus on tech and finance. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our future updates. Now let's talk about one of the most intriguing companies in the tech and data analytics world today, Palantir Technologies Incorporated, ticker symbol PLTR. With its revolutionary software solutions, Palantir is making waves in both the government and private sectors. But with all the buzz around it, how has Palantir been performing lately, and what does its future look like? In this video, we'll break down the latest numbers, key partnerships, and developments shaping Palantir's future. So grab a snack, sit back, and let's dive in. All right, first up, let's take a look at how Palantir has been performing in the stock market. As of today, Palantir's stock price is sitting at $73.07, and let me tell you, that's a pretty impressive jump. Over the past year alone, the stock has increased by a mind-blowing 345.55%. That's not just a win, that's a major breakout. And guess what? Over the last week, PLTR stock has surged by 12.45%. That's some serious momentum, folks. But even with these big gains, Palantir stock is still about 13.83% below its 52-week high. Now that could be an opportunity for investors who are looking to get in at a more favorable price point. When it comes to profitability, Palantir is doing pretty well. The company's return on investment stands at 10.13%, which shows they're efficiently using their capital. And get this, Palantir has an impressive 81.01% gross margin and an 18.01% profit margin. These margins indicate that Palantir is generating strong profits from its revenues, which is always a good sign for investors. Now, in terms of growth, Palantir's earnings per share has increased by 52.46% this year, and its trailing 12-month growth is even more stunning at 157.23%. That's rapid growth for a company in a competitive space. And here's something that's really worth noting. Palantir's debt-to-equity ratio is super low, sitting at just 0.06. That tells us Palantir isn't relying too heavily on debt to fuel its growth, which is a great sign in terms of financial health. Finally, Palantir is trading 85.18% above its 200-day simple moving average, which suggests that the stock is in a strong, bullish trend. So yeah, things are looking pretty good for Palantir right now. Now let's move on to some of the exciting developments driving Palantir's growth. And trust me, there's a lot to talk about. First up, let's talk about Palantir's expanding partnership with the US Army. If you're not familiar, Palantir has been working with the Army since 2018, and the partnership has been growing ever since. Recently, Palantir secured a massive $400 million agreement to support the Army's Vantage platform under the Army Data Platform. The Vantage system is all about helping the Army leverage data and AI for better decision-making and mission execution. And it's not just about combat. The platform is being used across a ton of Army functions, from logistics to recruitment and finance. The best part? The agreement has the potential to grow to $618 million over 4 years, which is a major win for Palantir. Plus, with more than 100,000 users and integration of 180-plus unique data sources, it's clear this system is playing a huge role in how the Army operates, and Palantir is at the heart of it. But Palantir isn't just sticking to government contracts. The company is also making waves in the private sector. A key example is its partnership with Pray.com, the leading app for daily prayer and faith-based content. Pray.com was struggling with the high costs and time it took to translate content into multiple languages. Enter Palantir's Ontology software development kit, which helped automate and speed up the translation process. Thanks to this AI-driven solution, Pray.com now delivers translations in minutes rather than days, improving operational efficiency and lowering costs. And that's not all. Palantir's AI platform has allowed Pray.com to scale its operations, launching 9 months' worth of product features in a fraction of the time. This partnership shows how Palantir's technology is not only revolutionizing defense, but also transforming industries like media and communications. But wait, there's more. Palantir is also expanding its reach through strategic investments. One key investment is in Shield AI, a leading maker of autonomous drones. Alongside major investors like Lockheed Martin, Palantir is helping raise hundreds of millions of dollars for Shield AI, whose valuation has jumped from $2.5 billion to $5 billion in just a year. What's exciting here is that Shield AI is built in autonomous drone technologies for defense, including customers like the US and Ukrainian governments. By investing in Shield AI, Palantir is doubling down on its commitment to the defense sector, while also expanding its footprint in the emerging drone tech space. This partnership is a huge win for both companies. So what's next for Palantir? Well, the company is about to release its fourth quarter and full year results for 2024 on February 3rd, 2025, and things are looking solid. For fourth quarter 2024, Palantir expects revenue to be between $767 million and $771 million, with adjusted income from operations ranging between $298 million and $302 million. That's a pretty strong quarter, if you ask me. For the full year, Palantir has raised its revenue guidance to between $2.805 billion and $2.809 billion. And here's the kicker. Their U.S. commercial revenue is expected to exceed $687 million, showing at least 50% year-over-year growth. This is a huge sign that Palantir is making major strides in the private sector. Plus, the company's adjusted income from operations is expected to be between $1.054 billion and $1.058 billion, and it's expecting adjusted free cash flow to exceed $1 billion. These numbers paint a picture of a financially strong and growing company. So, to wrap up, Palantir Technologies is showing impressive growth across the board, from its partnerships with the U.S. Army to its expansion in the commercial sector and strategic investments in companies like Shield AI. The company's positioned to continue leading the way in data analytics and AI, and its financials are looking strong. What do you think? Do you believe Palantir's partnerships and innovations will keep driving its growth? Drop a comment below with your thoughts. And if you liked this analysis, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share the video with your friends. Thanks for tuning in to Stocks Telegraph. We'll catch you in the next video. Until next time, happy investing.